This tutorial we will learn how to use artisan subdivide tool in SketchUp. So artisan tool are most useful plugin that you must have, and you can download through the link in the description, guys. So here we will understand how to use it, how it works. Okay, one by one. Here you can see that there are lots of tools inside this plugin. So here I'm drawing rectangle just like that. Okay, I'm raising it by push pull tool and deleting first face, front face. Okay. After that, here I'm selecting entire model and we will understand how these three options will work. So when you will click over here, this first option that is called subdivide and smooth. So your model will be subdivided and at the same time it will smooth just like that. But when you will use this option subdivide, it will subdivide only. Okay, it will subdivide your model in multiple loops line just like that. And if you want only a smooth option, then you have to click here just like that. Okay, so there is three options that we have discussed. First one, you have to click here if you want to use a subdivide and smooth at the same time. It will work like that. It will subdivide your model and smooth your model at the same time. But if you want only the subdivision option, then you have to select model and then have to click here. Click and click and click to subdivide faces. Okay. But if you want only a smooth option, you have to click here, just like that. You have to click and click and click to apply a smooth command multiple times. Okay, just like that. Now, here we need to discuss how to use this. Another option that is called extrude faces. So you have to just select the face and then extrude it, just like that. But here you can see that this is not working evenly because I want this model in some thickness. But this tool not gonna help you. For that, you have to use Fredo push pull tool. Okay. So another option that is called extrude edges. So when you will select entire model and when you will click here, your outer edge will be selected and just click and drag your mouse to make it something like that. For that, you have to press Alt. Okay. If you will press Alt, your mode will be changed. You can see here, you can see that extrude mode is individual. Again, I'm pressing it. It's called extrude mode is group. And again, I will press Alt. It will say extrude mode is normal. It will uh, extrude your edges something like that at this direction. Okay. Now here I am done like that. Now I'm selecting entire model and using this option to make it a model something like that. Okay. Again, if you want to extrude the edges over here, you have to just select entire model and have to click here. Your outer edge will be selected just like that. Okay. Now here another option that is called a insert face option. How to use it? You have to just select the model just like that. If you want an entire model or just a single faces, you have to select it, click over here and operate something like that. If you want to do these things in all faces, just select entire model and then click here and then drag the mouse to create something like that. Okay, so here I am using this push pull tool and pushing a little bit at this direction. Okay, just like that. And again I'm using this tool to make a pattern like that. Then now I am deleting these faces. Now select entire model and then click over here. This time I am using this option, subdivide and smooth. So now you can see that your models are looking more complex just using a few tools of this artisan tool. Okay, you have to use this knife subdivision option. So just select, drag, press alt, and then again click to cut, just like that. Okay. If you want to do multiple cut, you can do it. Just click, drag, press alt, and click. Okay. Now there is another tool that is called a loop tool. So loop tool, how it's work? And you want to create a loop line amidst of this line. Then you have to just drag your mouse over the line and then create a loop subdivision. Okay, just like that. Okay, guys. So now here we will discuss how to use this option that is called bridge between edges. Okay. For that, here I am creating a hexagon like that and then extruding it little bit and then moving with control to make a copy of this just like that. Okay. And I'm rotating it just like that. Okay. So if you want to connect these two faces, then we will use this option. So select face, the first face and then second face with control, and then you have to click over here. Your model will be bridged. Okay. This is the benefit of this tool. Okay. Now you can increase the subdivision over here by pressing upper and down arrow key. Upper arrow key for increase subdivision, down arrow key for decrease division. Okay. If you want more or smoother, then you have to increase that. Okay. Then if you want to rotate it, then you have to use right or left arrow key to make a rotation. Just like that. Twist the model. So it's called twist. Okay. If you want to twist, then you have to use right and left arrow key. Just like that. Okay. Now another option is make symmetry. So suppose I am selecting this and then clicking over here. It will make a symmetry like that. You have to just select the model, then click here and then okay. This is just like a mirror tool. Okay. Nothing else. Another option is display edges of quad faces. So if you will click here, you can see the quad faces like that. No, we have done with this. Now another option, the artisan sculpture. So here multiple sculpt tool options. Here this one is called sculpt brushes. So when you will click here, the extra setting will appear here. You can increase the radius, strength. So if a strength is more, it will work like that. Okay, you can see that. Okay, it will work like that. And this is called a clay brush. This is okay. Okay. Now there is another option is grab brush. So it's totally up to you how to operate this tool. Thank you. To sculpt your model. This I want to make a spike. So I'm selecting over here, just clicking, dragging my mouse. Okay. To make a some pattern like that. Okay. So there are many artisan sculpt tool inside this. If you want to sculpt any kind of models like 3D models, any human faces, then you have to use this artisan tool. So I hope you have understand how to use this plugin. And if you really like, please share, subscribe, and please comment